up it nice and high like this. Go right, wind up. I'll get in there. What is it? Oh no. Bring it up. Oh my goodness. Well done, gents.
Oh,
Well done. Let's have a little
lift
bring
it
right
up.
here,
Hold it. Don't hold it with your hands just yet.
Yeah, hold it like this.
Hold it with a string.
Come over here.
Jency.
Look, hey.
That's not even my fish.
What? Come here, come on, stand next to the rod like this.
You can put your arms up and hold it.
Yeah, you can hold
Put
just
your
the line.
sleeves up.
Hold the line like that.
Hold your first fish ever.
Hold the line like that, quick.
You stay with Trev.
Hold the line like this, quick. Hold like this. So hold still. Alright, good boy. Well done, Jensen. That's awesome.
Look
mate.
at that.
Well done.
Did you reel it in?
Can you believe that?
Oh, look at that, Trev.
Yeah, you'd be very pretty slimy.
I'm gonna eat
You know, we won't eat him, will you?
You're gonna eat.
See, it's
Oh.
slimy. Oh. Is that pretty cool?
Love it.
Do you want to touch it? It's pretty slimy. Do you want to take him off? We'll take him off?
Yeah, take him off and put him back, gents.
Yeah. I'll take him off.